In this video, we shall be talking about circulating supply. Many of you, you have been hearing about coins, tokens, what have you, and then you hear something like circulating supply. What is circulating supply? This is the number of coins or tokens of a specific cryptocurrency that are publicly available to buy or sell. Remember that there are some coins or there are some tokens where you have some quantity that is being locked up in a particular, maybe for future use, or maybe people want to do staking reward, but it's just locked up maybe for some time. All right. So you cannot say the coin is fully circulating because some of the coins have actually been locked up. But when you look at cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, it's actually fully in circulation right now. So when we talk of circulating supply, this refers to the specific number of the coins that people can buy and sell. All right. It does not include what has been locked up. Okay, it does not include what has been locked up, but what people can buy and sell is actually known as the circulating supply. And then you also hear things like fully diluted market cap. All right, what is the fully diluted market cap? The full diluted market cap refers to a project, or this refers to a market cap of a project once all its token has been released into circulation. All right. So once the tokens or once the coins, all of it have been released into circulation, then we are talking about the fully diluted market cap. Sometimes you have some tokens that has been locked up. You can't say that the market is fully diluted, but when all the coins have been released into circulation, we now say it is fully diluted. Like you can see in this screenshot where you have we actually took this when Bitcoin was about $48,000. But when you look at the fully diluted market of Bitcoin, you will realize that it is about trillions. It was trillions of dollars when this was taken. And of course, you realize that the market cap is about 900 and something million. And the supply, everything is actually in supply right now. So this refers to the market cap of a project once all its tokens have been released into circulation and nothing is locked up somewhere. Okay, so and when you look at projects like that, you need to have trust in those kind of projects because they already have all their coins into circulation. Example can be like BNB, BNB, Ethereum, what have you. Those are coins that majority of them, or nearly all of it, are already fully in circulation. So when we talk about fully diluted market cap, that's what we are talking about. Thank you.